Hi everyone. Welcome back to another tutorial with Dr. Techno. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to pin your favorite setting items as a built-in feature to your start menu. As you might know, you can pin applications via right-click and pin them to Start menu and taskbar. But the method we are going to learn today will give you ability to add them right next to the power button, right here. To do this, navigate to Setting. Click on Personalization. Scroll down to Start. Open Folder. And choose which folder you want it to appear next to the power button in your Start menu. For instance, I will choose Setting, Download, and Network. And now when I open the Start menu, I will be able to access those useful items easier. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and have a great day.